Hello and welcome to a new class, which is the class number 9. And today I will be explaining you the star thing, the holes, the star, the stitch angles, and the open offset. So let's get started. Let's start from the star, and we will just make any random circle and press enter. As you can see, it will make kind of a star. I think I don't know much about it because I think it is kind of useless thing. It will just make a stitches like this one. As you can see, it is kind of a star. You can say it will have a. That's how it is based. Even you can just increase the stitch value or decrease the stitch value, and it will be like this. Or if you increase the stitch value from like this, it will just get lower and lower. Hope you understand this. I don't use it because I think it is kind of useless thing because I never used it. So it is what is it? So it is what it is, right? If you want, you can use it. If you don't have to use it. Let's move on to the stitch angles. All right. So let's say I made a simple complex fill. All right. Mm, let's say I am making something like this. Okay. And now I have only one angle, as you can see if I press H. I only have one angle, all right. So to increase the angles, like if let's just make a smaller object, so it will be pretty easier to explain. Oh, my bad again. Whenever you make any shape, all right, always click somewhere other than that, so they are not connected. And now let's make the shape again. All right. So let's say we have this shape with only one angles and it is set in. All right. So as you can see, we have a problem here. All right. So let's just say we have this angle. All right. Let's do it for now like this. Okay. So I have to increase more angles. All right. So if I will click the object, first I will press O. So not the O. I will press the. Okay, it is O actually, and the other one is the H. Okay, I will press O, then click it. All right. And then I will click the stitch angles, which is Control plus H. Either I can do Control plus H or I can do the stitch angles. And I will have this shape as a open shape now. I can just make multiple angles here, as you can see. Just by doing that, I will get different kind of angles. So hope you understand this. And it is pretty simple also to use. You can also delete the angles by pressing H, and you can just delete the angles one by one as you want, or you can just convert it by pressing F3 to the old object as it was before. So hope you understand it, and let's move on to the last one, which is the what do we call it? Open offset. I don't know how it works, but I think first we have to do the offset. How to use it? I don't know how that open offset works, so sorry for that. I'm so. I never used it because I never get a use of it. I think that's why. So I will just do the add border thing. If I do add border, what happens? It will be like this. We have a border, and if we have to add some different border, we can like take the O, and it is like that. So yeah, it is simple. I think not something complicated, right? You can just add anything and add the border. So it is like that. So again, thank you for watching today's class. It was pretty boring, I know, but these are the simple tools that I rarely use. So Thanks for watching and have a good day.